Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam from BSG Tech with another short video. And if you have an iPhone or iPad device with the Touch ID and home button, then you're watching the right video. And yes, you are thinking the right way that if you have a broken home button, then definitely this can be very frustrating in order to activate and use your device, especially when you reset it. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can do this process and how you can enable assistive touch by using two methods. First method requires a Windows PC and 3U tools, which you can download from their website and install on your PC. You also need a data or sync cable which you can connect in order to activate your device. As you can see, this iPhone is iPhone 7 and it has a broken home button which we try to press multiple times, but unfortunately it's not responding, which is a big hurdle. In order to activate the device, you have to press home button once you are on the boot animation screen. So we are going to use 3U tools first in order to activate and bring this phone to home screen. So guys, make sure that your PC or your computer is connected to Wi-Fi or internet in order to run this process. You have to connect your device using the data cable with your system, and once you are on iDevice screen in 3U tools, you have to click on activate, and then you have to follow the activate and skip option, which is the second option in the right. And once you hit that, it will take the process, and it will take a few seconds in order to activate your device. So now we are on the activation page, but unfortunately we can't go to home screen because this requires another press. As you can see on the screen, press home button to open. We can't open the main menu. So in order to open the main menu, we have to go into the toolbox section. On the top right hand side is the second last option. Then we have to look for accessibility, which should be the third option in the second last row. Then we have to click on assistive touch, and that you can see in the red circle. Once you click on assistive touch, this will basically enable assistive touch option on your iPhone or iPad screens, which you can click and then enable your home screen. So from there you can go into the enable section, and then you can enable and disable from this section. But remember guys, if you disable this, you have to reactivate the assistive touch again by using this method which I'm showing you right now on the screen. If for some reason somebody has disabled the assistive touch, then you can click on your screen, and once it's wake up, then you have to swipe to the right, and on this section, which is the search section, you have to type settings. So once you type settings, it will show you the settings application menu, and from here you can go into the settings, and then after that you can hover over to assistive touch. From here you can enable assistive touch. You still need to use iTunes or 3U tools in order to activate the device once it's reset. You cannot do that without the help of these two applications. So thumbs up if you like the video, and if this video has helped you out in any way, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Peace. Bye bye.